Like the walls of a house or building separate the interior from the outside world, the cell membrane is a barrier that separates the contents of the cell from the external environment. Cell membranes are a mosaic of protein and lipid molecules, both of which can drift from place to place within the membrane. Most of the surface area of the membrane consists of a type of lipid called phospholipid. Each phospholipid molecule has a polar head and a nonpolar tail. The phosphate-containing head is hydrophilic or water-loving because its polar structure is attracted to water molecules, which are also polar. The fatty acid tail is hydrophobic because it is nonpolar and repels water molecules. Cell membranes are phospholipid bilayers, a double-layered structure in which the hydrophilic heads of the phospholipids face outward. The middle of the membrane contains the hydrophobic tails of the phospholipids, an arrangement that shields them from contact with water molecules. Whereas membrane lipids act as a general barrier around the cell, membrane proteins have specific functions. For example, they may act as enzymes, receptors, anchors, or channels. There are two major populations of membrane proteins: integral proteins, which are part of the membrane structure and usually span the width of both phospholipid layers, and peripheral proteins, which are bound to the surfaces of the membrane.